Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2022 Toyota Camry. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Find the sweet spot where luxury meets convenience when you take the wheel of this alluring, standard-setting Camry. It's the sedan designed around you, your comfort, your safety, your driving pleasure. You'll be amazed by its cutting-edge technology, fall in love with its exquisite looks, and be thrilled by its muscular power. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, lane keeping assist, backup camera, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, power driver seat. Feel what it's like to drive an overachiever. Our friendly professional team will put you in the driver's seat of this sporty Camry today.